Now we are starting with addition. Our first topic is addition related to large number. So we are already familiar with addition of 5 and 6 digit number with regrouping. Already you have learnt in earlier classes how to make the addition of 5 and 6 digit number. Now the same way we will be having the process of addition of 7 and 8 digit number as we have learned in the calculation of 5 and 6 digit number. We will be following the similar process for 7 digit or 8 digit number. So start adding from the ones place. Again the rules are same as we had discussed earlier. Always we will be starting our addition from the ones place, and then we will be going to the further earlier places as per the condition. So start addition from the ones place. If the sum of any column is more than 10, so already you are well aware about this rule also. Whenever we do the addition and the addition of the two number is not coming single number but it is coming as two digit number, then we have to regroup with the next column. Again a regrouping will be done. Regrouping means you have to define the single digit, whatever the 10 number comes or occurs. From that 10 numbers you have to define one digit and the another number you have to take as remainder. So let us see one example here. For example, if the sum in the ones column is 13, for example, if we try to add the grand total of two digits and the column is having total as 13, so again we will be regrouping. So regroup it as 1, 10 and 3 ones, means we have to consider as 110 and 3 ones, means the ones number will be written in the bottom calculation part and the 10 value will be taken as remainder. So write 3 in ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. So this way we will be proceeding the process of calculation. So let us see the example here. 4 lakh 32,576 and 2,51,762. We have to add both the numbers. So first, for our convenience, we have written the headings of the periods, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. This way we have to proceed it. As per the values, we have defined the digits. According to the place value, we have defined the digits. So arrangement of the digits you can see. We have started from 4 lakhs, so see lakh is here. We have started second number as 2 lakhs, so here it is there. So this way rearrange the digit in proper according to the proper places of the digits. After that again we'll be starting addition from the ones place. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Single digit number is there, so no carry over to the next, that is column. Now 7 plus 6 when added it becomes 13. So here we will be applying a regrouping process. 7 plus 6 is 13. So from 13 when we regroup it, 3 is considered as ones place. So we will be writing 3 here and the digit 1 is related to tens. So we will be taking as remainder in the next column. So this way here we have written 1. Now this one becomes as remainder. Now next add it 5 plus 7. Again 5 plus 7 is 12. One remainder when added it becomes 13. Again we will be regrouping 13. So it will be having ones as the 3 digit, or will be taking 3 as ones digit, and tens digit will be taken to the next column as remainder. Again add 2 and 3, it becomes, again add 2 and 1, it becomes 3. 3 plus 1 becomes as 4. Further proceeded, no carryover is there, 4 is a single digit number. So further proceeding, we will be having 3 plus 5, it is 8. 4 plus 2, it is 6. Thus, we get the grand total of 4 lakh 32,576 plus 2 lakh 51,762 as 6 lakh 84,000 338. So this way we will be doing the addition of larger numbers. Similar rules are there. Nothing is the change, only we are having more digit compared to less digit. Now let us see the example number 2. Now again we are having some more bigger number than earlier one. Now we have to add 5 crore 36 lakh 24,092 and 2 crore 43 lakh 65,188. Already we have discussed the rule. So already we have defined the different place values headings. As per the headings we have defined our digits. Let us start with the lower place value or ones place value. So here it is. So first we have to add 2 and 8. It becomes as 10. 10 is having 10 is a 2-digit number. So again we will be following a regrouping process. In 10, 0 is ones place value or ones place digit. So we'll be writing 0 here, and 1 is 10 value. So 110 will be taking to the next column as remainder. So here we have defined 1 as the remainder. Again we are adding 9 and 8. 9 and 8 when added it becomes 17, and in 17 when one remainder is added it becomes 18. Again 18, once number will be 8, so we will be writing 8 here, and the will be taking tens digit will be taking as remainder in the next column. So here it becomes as 1 as remainder. 0 and 1 added it becomes 0. 0 when added with 1 becomes 1, and in that one when remainder is added it becomes 2. So here it is 2. No remainder is there, single digit number is there, so write single number as it is. Next, 4 plus 5 it becomes 9, no carryover. 2 plus 6 8, 6 plus 3 9, 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 2 7. So this way we can say that 5 crore 36 lakh 24,092 added with 2 crore 43 lakh 65,188 will gives the addition value as, or the sum as, 7 crore 79 lakh 89,280.